In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to top up Tesco mobile voucher. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly redeem any mobile vouchers that you might have acquired from Tesco and how to top up normally. So first, I want to cover how to do a standard top up through the Tesco mobile app. If you open it up, and you are signed into your account with your SIM number displayed, all that you have to do is use the top up option at the bottom of the screen, and this will allow you to initiate a top up. You can choose the amount, manage your plan, and proceed to checkout with the selected payment method. As long as you include a valid top up amount, you will be able to do this process directly through the latest version of the app. Now, with this method out of the way, where you can choose the top-up amount, include the phone number, and the payment option, I want to cover how to redeem a mobile voucher. If you have any sort of voucher from Tesco and you have a receipt, usually the instructions on how to redeem that voucher are going to be printed on the receipt. The reason why I can't show you a picture on screen is for security reasons and also because this might differ for you. Usually you will see a voucher number, or a redemption code that you must use online. Alternatively, there will be a phone number that you need to call on the physical receipt. So like I said, since I can't show you this process on screen, if you have a receipt that you acquired from a Tesco mobile voucher, pick up the receipt and double check to see if there are any numbers that you can call. Usually by calling those numbers, they will give you the instructions necessary to redeem that specific mobile voucher. You can either use it to top up or to get special discounts on your next Tesco purchases, so make sure that you follow these specific instructions on the receipt. Besides this, I cannot give you further information, but like I said, if all you want to do is do a standard top up, use the Tesco mobile app and switch over to the top ups tab as I'm showing to you on screen. Besides this, you will have to call them, usually at the number 4444, and they will give you the necessary information to redeem the physical voucher that you acquired. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Tesco mobile voucher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.